So I have just made this amazing salmon pasta. So I log into SwipingChef and either I write down the complete recipe here with the ingredients, instructions, etc. or I just upload an image of my food. There you go, creamy salmon pasta. It gives you the full ingredients, instructions, and of course I can just choose, do I want to share this with others or not? There I go. I won't share it. I'll keep this one private and I can save it. Another way of adding a recipe would be fill in the wishes. We want at least 20 grams of protein, 700 calories max, and we want chicken and sweet potato to be in there. Let's see how SwipingChef creates a recipe for us. Sweet potato and chicken bake. There's your recipe. Now you can only save this once you've created it and uploaded an image. Let's have a look at our own recipes. Which ones have we created before? Now I'm gonna look for salmon. Here's the salmon that we just uploaded. If I want to share it on Instagram, I click here and it will create an Instagram post for me. Here's the caption. Click on it, you can copy it and you can use it for your Instagram post. Next, let's have a look at the recipes I've liked from other chefs in the SwipingChef app. Have a look at this mint dip, for instance. It's really delicious. Or chimichurri chicken kebabs, created by Beth Monchel. I can see the full recipe by going through their food blog. Next, let's have a look at my cookbooks. I've already created 4 cookbooks. The cookbook looks as follows. It has a front cover and it has several recipes that I've chosen to be in there. They can range from both recipes I've uploaded and recipes I've liked from others. You can use this button here to get the URL to my cookbooks and share them with others. Creating a cookbook is very simple, as here you choose your cover, here you choose a name, and here you can have a look at all the recipes you've created and liked. Go to leaderboard to see who's got the most likes, who's the best chef. Let's look at my own profile, Macro Chef. I've created 17 recipes, but I only got 5 likes. Here are my cookbooks, here are my socials, and here are my recipes. It's a great way to interact with each other.